Hello, welcome to Leaving My Comfort Zone. I left my comfort zone again. Freedom broke down the road, so I had to take it to a nearest repair shop. I ended up spending the night in the repair shop. I was told it was a water pump. Eventually, it was discovered that it was the computer. So I found out that I was going to be repaired, but it was going to take me another day to get out of there, so I had to spend another night in the repair shop. Beanie, obviously, he took it in stride, so I took it in stride. I'm at a KOA. Kind of relaxing, taking it easy after the couple of days I had that were a problem with the rig, as you know. So, just taking a little video. See, at this time of the year, this place is almost completely empty, as you can see. Let me see if I can open this up for you. And they have cabins, as you can see. Discount if you join, which of course I did. Doesn't cost that much. And look at all these empty spots. And look at that. You can see Freedom right there. See, and they have all kinds of activities here. A lot of stuff for kids. They have a pool. Obviously, in November, the pool is not open. It's empty. Have a train. See some kind of bladder that kids are jumping on. This is the store. Don't forget about trying to buy big stuff there, but you will get some little items that you might need. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of walk down here a little bit. And you can see, camping is for everybody. You see these big, giant, beautiful, expensive diesel pushers. I think that's a diesel pusher. I'm not sure. I can't tell from here. And you see the Airstreams. I see a lot of Airstreams over here. I see like two, I think it is, right? Two Airstreams. And as I said, you can see the cabins. And of course, the more money you spend, the bigger the cabin. Some more cabins over here. The parkway is right there, so it's real easy to get on there and just continue on your route. That's one of the reasons why I picked this place. The leaves are gone. It's about 60-something degrees, so it's very nice outside. A sweater. All you need. It's like a postcard. And I'm coming up on Freedom over here. I'm gonna get my rest for my trip tomorrow, because I'm leaving tomorrow.